Hey guys, welcome. So today I introduce to you all our TLT beauty line. This line involves lip glosses. So far, we do plan on adding a little bit to the mix, but today we're just talking about lip gloss. So my daughter Janaea and I have decided to come out with some lip glosses, and here they are. Right now you see me pouring it in the Versa gel into the bowl so that we can get started. This is basically just our lip gloss base. Throughout this video, I'm just going to do a voiceover just so you guys get kind of familiar with everything. This is our first time giving it a try, so I hope you guys support. Thank you.
You want to do it? Go ahead. Pump yours in. 2 pumps. Not hard. Good job. Now mix that in.
She is such a great helper. So you just saw us pump 3 pumps of the coconut oil. I already did mine, so I just went ahead and did hers on camera. It turns out I wasn't recording when I did my pumps, but at least you got to see me do hers. And this is what it looks like after we mix it in. Next, you'll see us add in our food flavoring. We chose watermelon and banana. I actually let her choose before the video began because we bought like a really big pack full of like literally every scent you could think of. So she chose these 2. We just added 3 drops to begin with. From there, again, this is trial and error. So we're just trying to see what consistency we like and how much product we need. We did a lot of research to try to get the measurements right, and actually we enjoyed how it turned out. Next, we are adding glitter. I wasn't sure if we wanted to add glitter for our first round, but again, I let her choose everything this go around, and she wanted glitter. So we're doing glitter. We went with pink and blue. This was her request, but also my 2 favorite colors. And now it's time to mix that glitter in. This was actually really fun. Based off of the other videos, they made it seem like we were gonna get tired of mixing, but it really wasn't too bad. It was actually really nice, but I'm sure that's based on a larger quantity. I'm sure like later on it'll become a little arm workout. She just wanted to show you hers, so I thought that was cute. I didn't even realize she did that. I stepped away for a second and she added more glitter, which was so funny to me when I was editing the video, because when I got back, she asked if she can add more glitter, and I'm like, yours have a lot of glitter in there already. So it's just so funny that she already did it before I got back. Here is I wanted mine to have a little bit of color into it, so I added the powder. I chose the brown shade because I wanted it to be somewhat of like a nude. That's kind of the look I was going for, not like a classic nude, but more along the brown color family. Just to get started, I thought that would be nice. I wanted ours to be a little bit different. I didn't want to have the same exact lip gloss, so I chose to add a little bit of tint. And I really loved how it turned out.
It's kind of like gold.
Kind of.
Yeah. And mine's kind of like silver.
Next, we're just showing you the syringe and the pipette. This is what we're using to actually put the gloss inside of the containers. So I'm just cutting the pipette so that it could fit on the actual syringe. And I'm just going to tape it down. And then from there, you have your tool. It works really easy. This was my first time working with it, so we're trying to get the right measurements. Here you see that we had a smaller one. I did not order this one, but it came with some of the products that I ordered. So I figured for her, the smaller one will be better. However, of course, we didn't have the right size pipette to go with it. So I had to get her the larger one instead. But after this video, after we made the lip glosses, I went ahead and ordered some smaller ones because I thought it would be a lot easier for her. As you can see, you'll see later on that she struggles a little bit with the larger one. It was a little bit difficult to push or to actually put the lip gloss in for a second. I had to play around with it a little bit to even get comfortable myself, but we got it down. Again, this is trial and error, and I think the smaller ones will be a little bit easier for both of us actually. Once we get a little bit more comfortable, then we'll probably progress back to the larger size. And here's the best part, filling those tubes. Oh my goodness. This was so much fun to me and I really love it. I ordered some more Versagel because we used that whole pack. And I cannot wait to do some more colors. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.
In the center. Pretty. Now hold it in your palm. Yep, so they see the whole thing. Perfect.
Maybe that is kind of like a pencil to draw.
Here's our variety of lip gloss tubes. Next, we are just giving all of the glosses a bath, just to get all of that stickiness and all of that little extra stuff off of there. Here's our popsicle tubes, the next two clips in brown and clear. Now we have our squeezy tubes, again in brown and clear. Here's Janae's personal favorite, the pencil. She loves the eraser part, so cute. Again, brown and clear. Now these ones in particular will be sold on for the lash tag, in particular for adults. I feel like it's a lot more classy, so I had to throw something in there for me. With this popsicle, we mixed the two, brown and clear. It was what was left over, so I thought that was cute. And for all of my mermaid fans, this one is for you. Again, we have them in brown and clear. Thank you for watching, you guys. That concludes this video. If you would like to purchase any one of these lip glosses, send me a message and let me know. This will also be up on the website where you can purchase at www.thelashTag702.com. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.